Hello my fellow adventurers, and welcome to a tale that will take you on a journey through time, uncovering the captivating history of a hidden gem that has existed for over 200 years in the heart of Porto-Novo. Prepare to be inspired as we unravel the captivating story of Musée Honme Palais. Once upon a time, nestled in the bustling streets of Porto-Novo, the capital of the Republic of Benin, there stood a magnificent treasure where history comes alive, where culture dances in harmony, and where the spirit of Africa thrives. This haven of heritage is none other than Musée Honme Palais. Long ago, this palace was the royal residence of the kings of Porto-Novo, where they ruled with grace and wisdom. The palace stood tall and proud, adorned with intricate carvings and vibrant colors that depicted the stories of the land.
We have 25 kings who live in this palace. 25. From 1688 to 1976. So at 1976, when the last king died, no more king. Why? Because the sons of the last king, they begin to fight.
But as time passed, the palace was transformed into a museum. This building stood as the ancestral home of the powerful Honmè family. It witnessed generations of passion, perseverance, and pride. With each year passing, the Honmè Palace became an embodiment of Benin's rich history and cultural legacy. This door right here has existed for the past 200 years, right from when the first king used it down to the last king. If you notice, it has intricate carvings that signify so much stories of this historical kingdom. But destiny had something grander in store for this historical residence. In the 20th century, a visionary named Adeyemi Josiah Adokonu recognized the significance of preserving Benin's heritage for future generations. Inspired by his passion, he set forth on a mission to transform the Honmè Palace into a beacon of knowledge, a sanctuary where arts and history intertwine.
His head represents the moon calendar. Every moon we cut to one party.
Okay.
And the kingdom, yes.
Is this how she dressed? She does not wear clothes.
Yeah, no.
The legend Adokonu devoted years to meticulously restoring and renovating the Honmè Palace, breathing new life into its time-worn walls. His unwavering dedication brought together a team of skilled artisans and historians, united by their shared goal of preserving Benin's cultural legacy. Piece by piece, the artifacts of Benin's past were meticulously put together, restored, and showcased within the museum's wall. Each artifact tells a story of kings and queens, a story of warriors and artists, a story of traditions and triumph. Together, they show a richness in the story that reflects the soul of a nation. As you wander through the Musée Honme Palace, you'll be transported back in time, encountering the marveling and inspiring kingdom of Dahomey, the mesmerizing rituals of the Voodoo religion, and the exquisite craftsmanship of Benin's renowned sculptors. The museum's hall reverberates the spirit of Benin, whispering tales of courage, resilience, and cultural richness. One section of the museum was dedicated to the kingdom of Dahomey, a powerful empire that once thrived in this land. And if you didn't know before, Benin Republic was once known as the kingdom of Dahomey. And if you're someone who have watched Woman King, a very popular movie that came out in the cinema in 2022, you should already know about these Amazon female warriors. And in respect to these women who fought for the rights and safety of the land, the Republic of Benin had to build a statue specifically to respect and honor them. And that is why you find the statue in the center of Cotonou. I'm going to show you a video of the statue in my next video, so you do want to check it out, okay? But anyways, if you've not heard about the story of the Dahomey Amazon women, then you should visit this museum because you will learn about the fearless Dahomey Amazons, a legendary all-female warrior corps that defended the kingdom with an unparalleled skill and bravery. Their story inspired countless visitors like us to embrace our strength and determination. Another wing of the museum showcased the rich artistic heritage of Benin. Intricately carved sculptures, breathtaking paintings, and exquisite bronze works adorned the space, revealing the creativity and craftsmanship of Benin's artisans. Each displayed artifact or piece spoke of the deep connection between the people and their land, their passion for beauty and expression. But the Musee Honme Palace is more than just a warehouse or storehouse of artifacts. It is a living testament to the power of knowledge and the potential for a brighter future. Inside these walls, children and adults alike come to learn, to appreciate and to connect to the roots of their heritage. Despite the challenges faced throughout history, the Benin people refuse to let their culture fade away. Through the museum, they share their stories, ensuring that future generations will cherish and honor their roots. The museum's vibrant workshops, captivating performances, and enlightening lectures create an immersive experience that will foster a deep appreciation for Benin's cultural heritage. It ignites a flame within the hearts of those who visit, empowering them to carry the torch of their ancestors and safeguard their traditions for generations to come. As visitors, we carried with us a newfound appreciation for the history and culture of Benin, a deeper understanding of the struggles and the triumph of its people. And so, the Musée Honme Palais in Porto-Novo continued to stand tall, its walls filled with the whispers of the past and the dreams of the future. It remained a beacon of hope, reminding the world that history is not just a collection of facts, but a living, breathtaking story that connects with us all. So, my fellow adventurers, as we bid adieu to the Musée Honme Palais, let us carry its spirit with us. Let us embrace the power of our own history, our own culture, and our own heritage. May we find inspiration in the stories of those who came before us, and may we strive to create a future that our legacy shines brightly. Until we meet again, remember that within the Musée Honme Palais lies the heartbeat of Benin. Make sure you keep exploring, keep dreaming, and keep sharing the stories that shape Africa and the world at large. Thank you for joining me on this incredible journey through the Musée Honme Palais. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more captivating tales around Africa and the globe at large. Until next time, fellow adventurers, safe travels. Thanks for watching.